Okay, let's start with the topic of mutation today. So, what is mutation in genetics? What is mutation? Firstly, we have learned that what is mutation, and then we will go for the what is the type of mutation. Mutation is actually change in nucleotide sequence of a gene or DNA which is stable. Write the definition. What is mutation? A mutation is the permanent change of nucleotides sequences of the genome of an organism. So basically, what is mutation? Mutation is the permanent change of nucleotide sequence of the genome of an organism. That means any change of gene or DNA which is stable, that is known as mutation, based upon the size of mutation, on the basis of their size. The first is point mutation. What is point mutation? If a change in one or two nucleotide that can be observed under microscope. If there is a change in any 1, 2 or 3 nucleotide sequences, it can't be seen or normalized, but it can be detected by the microscope or under the microscope. That is known as point mutation. Point mutation is basically two types. The first is transition and the second is transversion. What is transition? What is transition and what is transversion? What is transition? What is transition? If there is any change into purine to purine, if nucleotide sequences are changed purine to purine, like G changed into A, C changed into T, or pyrimidine changed into pyrimidine, that is known as transition. What is transition? There are 4 possibility of transition. If purine changed G and A, G changed into A and A changed into G, and there is also pyrimidine, that is changed G to C and C to G, C to T. There is 4 possibility, 1, 2, 3 or Four possibilities are present that present of transition, that purine change into purine and pyrimidine change into pyrimidine. There are possible sequences are that GC changed into AT, AT changed into G and C, CG changed into TA, and TA changed into C and G. C and G. This is transition. Now we will go for the transcription. Okay. Now we will go for the what is transversion. What is transversion? Transversion is basically if purine changed into pyrimidine. Purine changed into pyrimidine. And pyrimidine changed into purine. That is known as a transversion. Like G changed into T and C changed into A. Okay, this is purine and this one is pyrimidine. On the second case, this one is pyrimidine and this is purine. There are some combination present like GC changed into TA, AT changed into CG, T and A changed into C and G, CG changed into A and T. Here are four possibilities present. Eight possibilities are present, like G changed into T, G changed into C, A changed into T, A changed into C, and T changed into G, T changed into A, C changed into G, and C changed into A. This is transition and transversion. I hope you liked today. Thank you.